Hey everyone, this is Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're giving you a closer look at the shift gate from Ryco Moto for the Honda Talon 1000. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. So today we want to give you a closer look at the shift gate from Ryco Moto for the Honda Talon 1000. Some people talk about the stock shift gate on this machine, how it's kind of clunky. It's kind of harder to get through the gears if you're not looking down directly at it. So there's two main benefits to this shift gate from Ryco Moto. The first is they call it no-look shifting. And you can see, just looking at it, I'll give you a side-by-side comparison here. It makes it easier to get through the gears. And once you go from park to say reverse or then neutral, high, low, you can easily get through all those gears without having to look down at it. So that's one of the major benefits. The other is that in a situation where maybe you're doing some slower technical riding, steep hills, rock crawling, and you're in a position where you're in low gear and you can't get up and you want to get into reverse as fast as possible as you start to go back down, this will allow you to go straight from low directly to reverse or vice versa without having to worry about trying to get around all those gates. So it's just less clunky, it makes it faster, which is going to be a great safety benefit when you're doing that type of riding. And again, you're no-look shifting. So to give you that comparison, I've got the stock shift gate right here. So just looking at them side by side, you see exactly what I'm talking about. So less clunky, easier to get through the gear. To install this, it's super easy. Honestly, it took me, I'd say 15, 20 minutes. You remove the center console, you take the rivets that are on there. Now the shift knob on this will pull off, but it takes quite a bit of force. So we just opted to cut ours off. It was real easy. And what's nice though is that Ryco with theirs, they actually already have a slot. So once you cut the stock one off, you just slide this one on, put the screws back in, you're ready to go. So if this is an accessory that you think would be nice to have for you, then you got to go pick one up. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so it's simple when you're picking yours up. Just enter the make, model, and the year of your Honda Talon. You're going to be good to go. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.